Okay, today we're gonna go to a Chinese store. Never been to one. Don't know what the hell they got in there, but I want to go. I heard there was some illegal shit in there and I want to see. I really don't know what any of this is. This is it. This is what I want to try. There's ducks just over there. Alright, so I went in the store and got some preserved duck eggs. The ingredients are duck eggs, of course, salt, water, tea leaves, sodium hydrate, whatever. I'm kind of retarded. But we're going to take these home. We're going to try it. Okay, as you can see, we went to the store and I grabbed these preserved duck eggs. I've always wanted to try it, so let's hop right into it. Right off the bat, it fucking stinks.
I smell it.
Yeah, smell that. This is how they look. They got polka dots all on them. This is gonna be fucking rough.
Wish we could show you how they smell.
Yeah, it's fucking bad. Like, who thinks to do this shit? It's so gross. It's not shiny at all. It's just dull with specks on it.
Tell them that we asked the woman at the store.
Yeah, the woman said that when they eat this, they eat it with soup, and they take little bitty pieces off of it. Or they eat little slivers, whatever you call it. She laughed at us when we said that we was just gonna bite into it. Now I'm kind of rethinking it because I didn't think the smell's gonna be this bad. So I'm probably just gonna like nibble. I guess it's kind of like a boiled egg. I'm scared of what it's gonna look like. Zoom in on this. I'm such a pussy, I guess. I don't know. First, okay. Ooh, I can already tell you that's not gonna be good.
Black?
It's kind of boingy. Yeah, it's like a boiled egg. I don't know. I'm on the membrane, I guess. It's like leathery, like snake egg consistency underneath it all.
It looks like
There it goes.
Ugh.
There it goes.
It's black.
It literally is.
But this would be so much better of a challenge if you were blind. It's like, well, it stinks, but it wouldn't gross you out to look at.
I don't even want to smell the air. So what is this shit, like just rotten egg, I guess? Preserved, whatever. This is a bad idea. Why did I say this? Why did I say this?
It should actually be rotten eggs. It's just in Chinese.
Maybe that's why she said don't eat a lot of it.
Yeah. She wouldn't tell us what would happen if we ate more than half of it.
Look at this, y'all. It's literally black. Why do I want to have gloves on? Like I feel like I need gloves.
It looks like a white duck or something. It does not look like a fillet in there. Trying to get even closer so you can tell.
Here it goes. It's so black that you would think like it's not even an egg. Like it's not even. It's like rotten, I guess.
People eat duck all the time. I don't know anybody.
Oh, look how black.
It looks like you colored it with a Sharpie.
Like a octopus ink.
Yeah. Dunked it in black paint.
There it goes. Yeah, in the light, it looks greenish. There's no way that's good for root. There's no way. I don't know what to say about it. Yeah, I wish we was faking it. Let me get a fork.
You want to rinse it? Still has shells on it.
It's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna cut into this sucker. Can you see it through the light? Like the brownish? Oh, what is that? I guess so. Dude, it's like green. Can you see the brown tint?
Yeah.
Look at that. It's like brown. Yeah, something. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to get a little like that. I think that's fair. That's the yolk. And look at it. Shine over here through the light. It's literally green. Can you see how green that is? And then this is like brownish, greenish. Okay, so I got 2 of these. That's a lot of yolk. It smells like shit. It smells like absolute shit. Like I'm not playing like. Alright, so I'm gonna take, because they said you're only supposed to eat a sliver of this with soup. So first I'm just gonna try to nibble and see what that tastes like. Fuck! It's like rubber.
It's like, you know, everybody's making the same face. No, you're asking me like, it's not that bad. You're trying it. You're doing good.
It don't taste like anything. It don't. It tastes like rubber. Like the consistency of this is like rubber. How I'm pulling it apart, the rubbery. What do you call that shit you put in the gel that makes it jello-y? I don't know the name of it, but it makes jello-y, but without putting the sweetener in it. That's what it tastes like. Gelatin. It tastes like gelatin. Like maybe this is where gelatin came from. Probably not. Alright, now here comes where I know is gonna be fucking gross. If I do this, you gotta do this. You gotta at least lick some of the yolk.
I'll try some of the rubbery shit.
Alright.
I don't like regular egg yolk.
Yeah, me neither. Here, I should move the trash can closer.
Yeah.
It ain't horrible. It really isn't. Like, I thought it was gonna be way worse.
Yeah, I know your face would have shown if it was worse.
Yeah. Ooh. It smells like fucking asshole. Nope. Nope. tastes like. I've always wanted to see what a preserved egg would taste like, and literally the consistency is like gel. Literally, like, look how it's coming apart. Yeah, it don't taste like anything. This shit, the green stuff inside, that stuff, it's kind of salty. Yeah.
It's like literally duck shit.
Yeah.
That's what it smells like.
It stinks. It's not bad tasting. The texture is fucking. Like I'm out. I'm gonna throw up. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video. If you want to see me do more stuff like this, like, comment, and subscribe.